Hi! This is Francisco Ocampo and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog is very exciting kasi I get to unbox my first mirrorless camera, which is the Canon EOS R50. I got this from Photoline sa SM Pampanga for 52,990. Parang before, 54,990 siya. Pero hanggang March 2024, it's for sale for 52,990. It came with a camera bag. This is the camera bag. Actually, pwede kang mamili between the camera bag at saka tripod. Pero, bibili rin ako ng tripod in the future. Mas kailangan niya ng camera bag for now. Kaya, pinili ko tong camera bag. We already opened up this box kanina at saka nung nasa store para lang ma-check yung laman. Pero for the vlog's sake, I'm gonna be reopening it. So, let's get right into it! So, pag-open, ayan siya. There is this pack of manuals. Yung receipt at saka yung warranty card. Nilagay ko lang dito talaga to kanina para lang hindi sila maghiwa-hiwalay para hindi mawala. Tapos, yung standard warranty terms and condition. Also, there's a 64 gig memory card. Meron din, I guess this is the wire for the charger. The battery. The strap. The charger ng battery. And yung unit itself. Yan. So this one's the unit, the Canon R50. You can actually choose between white or the black one, pero I chose the white one kasi feel ko it's more feminine and it gives more Louise vibe, Louise energy. So ito siya. First impression, ang gaan niya. Like, I don't know kung ilang grams to, pero ang gaan niya. And it's so pretty. So pretty. Actually, this is not a review for the camera kasi I think I'm not that credible for a review. This is just an unboxing video na maraming daldal. Ayan ang camera niya. Okay, tabi muna natin. Ang hirap tanggalin. Parang mas secured pa yung packaging ng lens kit kesa sa unit mismo. So, this is lens. Sabi sa reviews and specs niya, it's 18 to 45 mm. Ayan. I'll try to assemble it. And sana may charge yung battery so we could maybe try to operate it. Let's assemble! There's a sensor. And sabi, you should not expose it for a very long time. Ayan. Yung red dito, and yung red daw dito, pag didikit, and then, ito turn, dapat may click. Yun. Click! Ay! Lagay din natin pala yung battery niya. Sana may charge yung battery. So, we could like try it. This is the battery. It comes with one battery lang. And I guess I have to buy another for like extra. Mag-travel. Put it inside. It clicked again. Okay, we'll try to turn it on. Yes, it's charged. It says here to set the lens to the shooting position. So, paano yun? I'll open this one, the cap, and remove the cap. And then what? Okay, I'll get back to you. Wait lang.
Open it up. So the lens right now is in a collapsed lens. Works exactly the same way.
Sis is really watching a video on how to open the lens.
The lens, you do have to open it up. So the lens right now is in a collapsed position, which makes it easier to stow. But with one, you have to actually. So now the lens is open, and if you take the lens.
So, naka-open na yung lens. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. While I'm looking for the memory card, can I just say that I'm really rusty na sa paggawa ng videos. Because it's been a while, like it's been a year since the last video na nagawa ko. So please bear with me. So here's the memory card. So saan ang memory card slot niya, sis? Oh, here. Dito rin pala sila lagyan ng battery. Oh my goodness. Click. Feeling ko pag nag-click, validated na pwede na siyang gamitin. Like, you're on the right track, sis. So, try na natin siya. Set ko siya sa video mode. So, yan lang ang setup natin. Because, this girl is very gagad na mag-vlog for the unboxing. Na-flip the screen. Yay! Hi! This is from the Canon EOS R50. Nakakaganda. So, maybe I'll try to give you more high-quality vlogs from the R50. I'm gonna try to give you some clips and photos na samples from this camera so you could really see kung gaano kaganda yung photos tsaka videos na napoproduce nito. Also, I'll give you a comparison ng photos and clips from the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the EOS R15 para din mapag-compare nyo yung quality nila. Thank you guys for watching, and I apologize for the rusty content kasi it's been really a while since the last video that I took and posted on YouTube. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.